Hi guys, video on QUBT. Again, this chart is a little bit like following IonQ, same sector. It hasn't taken out the high yet, the high of the third wave, which I'm still leaning on because you went very high, and the probabilities of this being a 1, 2, and we're gonna go down have decreased for me. Also this here, very clearly corrective to me. Now then, here I changed the chart a little bit. For me, it's just not the prettiest again. I am leaning now towards like a diagonal pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have overlap. It's very ugly, but okay. Here again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in your second wave one. Then you could say this is another 1, 2, but 3, like, if this is 4, 5, your 5 is just too short. So I'm just gonna not bother this internal count. I'm just gonna say this is your wave 3. Very impulsive, like price movement to the upside, highest volume here. Then I pulled this fib from this wave 2 low to the wave 3 high. Normally I wouldn't want the wave 4 to go below the 618. It did, it just wicked below it, but also it's a diagonal pattern, so it's okay. I'm not gonna stress too much about this. I'm gonna delete it. Also, you didn't, like, you could either overlap with this wave 1 high, but it didn't do it. Like, it's just, this is definitely just like a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, because this move was very strong. But I'm just gonna leave these two here. Wave 4. For me, look, today you wicked so high. You hit the 86, so for me, the scenario that you top here and you're gonna go down in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and go to lower prices is, not the highest probability now. I'm more leaning towards this scenario because you hit the 86 here. Also, if this is a 1, your 2 is so long in time compared to this being a 1, and it went too high. What it could be is, it could be a triangle that it's forming in your wave 4, and then this would be an A wave, B wave, C wave. We need a D and we need the E, and then we go higher. Or this was an A wave, this was then a B wave, and this was a C wave. And what would be a regular flat then? Because this touched the 86, like the 0.9 fib approximately. And then let me quickly also pull fibs from here to here. And in the scenario of this being an ABC, these would be your targets for your wave C. For this one here, we are reacting now to the 0.618. We also have this trend line, and it might extend a little bit and form a triangle in an A, B, C, D, E. But it's too early to call that now. Price might already go up. Also, if we look at IonQ, up 1% now in the post market. This looks to me complete here. We will get at least a bounce, I think, start of next week. We might go further in this wave 4, then back down, but we will get at least a bounce, in my opinion. if not already the start of this fifth. In confluence with that, I'm leaning more towards, yeah, this scenario that we're still gonna move up in this fifth wave, and that this is just a ugly wave 4. I also drew this line here. This blue is the point of control of this range here. We reacted to it perfectly here. After we dipped here quite rapidly, we closed actually this candle on the dollar. Nah, we went a little bit deeper, but yeah, we closed this gap here. Now we closed this gap here. So yeah, with the fib level like of the 86 being touched, and with how this looks for me, yeah, this is your number one scenario, and yeah, breaking down is your lower probability scenario. And yeah, once we do, these are the targets, but that's for Monday. And I hope, yeah, because I'm positioned in this one, I was like busy at the market opening, and price was like, yeah, price was 16% higher than what it is now. So I couldn't sell here. I wanted to sell a little bit and take a little bit profit because I missed selling here as well, because of how rapid it moved down, but did again. So yeah, but if it goes now, I'm probably not gonna sell again, because third time you're gonna push, you're probably gonna go a little bit higher. So that's QUBT for you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.